Good morning. Now we are going to discuss what is the revenue account of a life insurance company, then what the format of revenue accounts. So revenue account, Form A are a policyholders account. The main purpose of preparing revenue account is to show in a summarized form the income and expenditure relating to life insurance business during an accounting period. So the purpose of preparing revenue account is to show the income and expenditure of a life insurance business during an accounting period, and this account is prepared on accrual basis. Okay, then now the format of revenue account. Heading Form A RA. Name of the insurer, registration number, and date of registration with the IRDA. Revenue account for the year ended 31st March 2020, like policy holders account, technical account. So this is the heading given to the revenue account. Then now, as usual, 4 columns are the first column for particulars, second column for schedule number, next column current year, next column previous year figures for showing previous year figures. Okay, first item, premium earned, net value. Under this premium earned, first item is premium. Second one, reinsurance ceded. So you know what is reinsurance. Sometimes we will give a part of insurance to some other parties, and sometimes we will accept insurance from other insurance companies. So insurance premium related to the reinsurance, that is what is called reinsurance ceded, reinsurance accepted. Okay, so the second item be reinsurance ceded. Third item is reinsurance accepted. Next one is income from investments. Under this head, first item, interest, dividend and rent received. Gross amount will be shown. Interest, dividend and rent. Second item, profit on sale or profit on redemption of investments. Profit received at the time of sale or redemption of investments. Next item, loss on sale or loss on redemption of investments. Next one, transfer, gain on revaluation or change in fair value. Transfer, gain on revaluation or change in fair value. Then other incomes to be specified. Other incomes, what are the items here shown should be specifically mentioned here. Then take the total. So total A. Part of A is income. So total A. Next portion is commission. As per second schedule, commission. Next one, as per third schedule, operating expenses relating to insurance business. Operating expenses related to insurance business. Schedule number 3. Next, provision for doubtful debts. Next one, bad debts written off. Next, provision for taxation. The next item, provisions other than taxation provision. All other provisions are shown here. Under provisions, A, for diminution in the value of investments. Provision for diminution in the value of investments. Net figure will be shown here. Second item, other provisions to be specified. What are the other provisions to be specified here? Then take the total B. Next, benefits paid. Net value will be shown here. As per schedule 4, we have to prepare one schedule, schedule number 4, benefits paid. So total of the schedule 4 is given here. Interim bonus paid. Change in valuation of liability against life policies in force. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ കുറേ ലൈഫ് ഇൻഷുറൻസ് പോളിസീസുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട ലാബിലിറ്റീസ് കാണും, അതിൻ്റെ വാല്യുവേഷനുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട ചേഞ്ചാണ് ഇവിടെ കാണിക്കേണ്ടത്. Under this head, gross, then B, amount credited in reinsurance, C, amount accepted in reinsurance. Okay, then take the total of C. Okay, the next line, surplus or deficit. So how can we calculate a surplus or deficit? A, income, minus B minus C. Okay, total of A portion minus total of B portion minus total of C portion. So we will get a surplus or deficit. The next section is appropriations. So first item is transfer to shareholders account. Transfer to shareholders account. Second item is transfer to other reserves. To be specified, what are the items transferred to other reserves must be specified here. And take the balance. The balance being funds for future appropriations. First, transfer to shareholders account. Next, transfer to other reserves. So after transferring to shareholders account and to other reserves, the balance being funds for future appropriations. Then take the total. Okay, so this is the format of revenue account of life insurance company. Okay, thank you.